Hey guys, it's callbacks. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're not, thank you for coming back for another video. Now on this channel, talk about coding tutorials around web development and app development and so much more. Also talk about tech stuff in the channel, so if you like that, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Now in today's video, I'm going to talk about JavaScript IIFE. So it actually stands for JavaScript Immediately Invoked Function Expressions. So if you want to learn more about, stick to the video, and it's coming up right now. So welcome back guys. As you can see, I'm in my Sublime text editor where I created a file called func.js. Now what the JavaScript IIFE basically is a way to write functions and immediately execute the function without having to call the function. By default in JavaScript, to create a function, use the function keyword. I'm get a function name like @ you put the parentheses, then you can log out something like console.log hello world. Now in JavaScript, normally to call this function I have to call it by putting the name of the function parentheses, and when I save this and run this, I should have hello world logged out to the screen. Not responding. I'm sorry for that guys. Sublime text editor. So I should have hello world logged out to the screen. You can see hello world logged out to the screen here. Yeah, this is the default way to create a function in JavaScript. So using the JavaScript IIFE or IIFE, the immediately invoked function expression, its syntax actually goes like this. So you want to start with the parentheses. The whole of the function is going to be inside the parentheses. So it's a parentheses, right? A function, the function keyword. Then you can make this function. It has to be anonymous function. Make the function anonymous. So we're not going to give the function name. Just put the parentheses, then put the curly braces. Then want to log out something to the console. Console.log welcome subscriber. Now how I'm going to execute this function is at the end of the function I'm going to put a parenthesis, open and close parentheses like this. Now typically in JavaScript function, you create a function. When you want to call the function, you call the name of the function, then you put a parenthesis front with open and close parentheses. So it's something similar to this. You can see it's like writing a function, then to call it you put a parenthesis, open and close in front of that function. Now when I put this to the closing semicolon, and when I save this and run it, we have welcome subscriber in the console below. Welcome subscriber. Okay, PC is really slow. Welcome subscriber. Now this is actually how you create this syntax for creating a JavaScript immediately invoked function expression. So now actually you can see how to create, guys. Now you can also do something in JavaScript function. Let me comment this out first. In JavaScript function, when I create parenthesis open, you can, like, when you want to return something like function, use the return keyword, return welcome back. Now to get this return output, we have to log it out to the screen, or we assign it to a variable and log it out. So I'm going to log this out by using the console.log. We'll call the function ct. When I build this, we should have welcome back shown on the screen. I know why this text on my is saying not responding. Sorry for that, guys. So you have welcome back logged out to the screen. Now you can also do this in a JavaScript IIFE. So I'll comment this out and uncomment this back. Now instead of using the console.log keyword, I'm going to say return this. Control B and build this. It's going to run it. We should have an output, so you guys can guess what we're going to have. Actually gives us nothing. You know why? Because we haven't logged out the function to the screen, because you're actually returning something. Login is like a printing something to the screen. Function is actually giving you something back. So to get what the function is giving us back, we have to console.log the function. And to do this, we have to wrap the whole entire function inside console.log statement. Like this, come to the end, console.log. Now come at the end of here, wrap it all up, then save it and run this. We should have the output, welcome subscriber. It's really slow today. Very sorry for this. Very sorry. Welcome subscriber. Now you can see this. Now, apart from this, actually a very good at JavaScript IIFE. And note, guys, this feature in JavaScript I've only seen in JavaScript programming language itself. I've not seen any language like Python, Dart, or etc. language, etc. other language out there. Maybe here, but I haven't noticed it. So if you guys have seen, you can let me know in the comment section down below. You can also do multiple stuff with this. I can also say using just the return, you can do some arithmetic inside this. You can say, you can actually even take in parameters. You can say A and B. I can say console.log A plus B. Now notice I actually added two parameters, A and B. Now to add the arguments for these parameters, you come down over here to the parentheses. Go to the open and close parentheses. I told you to execute the JavaScript IIFE, this function. So in place of A, we're going to put 2, and in place of B, we're going to put 3, number 3. Now when we run this function, we're going to get addition 2 plus 3, which is 5. It should show. Oh, sorry guys, I have an extra parentheses outside the function, so I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I think it should work now. So you can see it should give us 2 plus 3, or 2 added to 3, and it should be 5. You can see we have the output of 5. So it's actually just a short brief video to introduce you guys to JavaScript IIFE, or called the JavaScript immediately invoked function expressions. So if you guys like the video and got something new from the video, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also like the video and tell me what you want to see more on this channel. So let's become a very very familiar in this channel with ourselves. So if you're new to your channel, please comment down below. I'm new to the channel, I subscribe to the channel. I'll reply you back as soon as I can. So guys, please like the video. Until then guys, I'll see you in another video. Peace out. Stay safe. Bye.